Before I get into the video, let's take the time to subscribe. If you want to see more videos on this, make sure you subscribe, and then make sure you like and comment. If you comment down below on what video you want us to make next, we're gonna get onto it and we're gonna make a video just for what you put in the comments. Now let's get into it. Internet of Things, or for short, IoT, is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interactions. Or for the short answer is no human interaction with those digital machines. Technically, digital machines transferring data between each other without the human part to it, without the human interaction to it. Now, for IoT, it's a big common thing in our lives because of the different devices that we have, the different technology that are being developed, and how much of the machines that we have today in our lives. So for IoT, they transfer data over a network or through a cloud. Now, before they can actually do that, they need to have connectivity. So for some, like for a phone, the Bluetooth need to be on for it to actually connect and be able to transfer data between other devices. Now, those devices don't have to be on. Those devices don't have to be devices don't really have to be in use or on at all. It could just transfer data while it's off or on, depending if you're like on your device or if you're off the device. Now, there are different applications of the IoT, like smart homes. Whenever we think of IoT system, the most important and efficient application that stands out is the smart home, ranking the highest of the IoT applications throughout. Now, smart homes are like homes that have Amazon Echo or getting built in with these high technologies or these different types of technology where you don't have to move around or anything, like how you can sit down and change the thermostat on your phone. Smart house, that's what we mean, smart homes. Now you got wearables like and you also got Samsung smartwatch. You got stuff like that also can do the same thing for IoT. Now you got smart cities, you got smart grids. All of those have to deal with the technology being integrated into those. Not just cities by itself, but the technology that's being built in the cities that have Bluetooth connection or connection to internet and stuff beyond that. Those are smart cities and smart grids and stuff like that had to deal with the technology. Now, those are part of IoT because they transfer data between each other, between the different types of machines that are out there in the city or in the home. And then we also got connected cars, industrial internet, connected health, like digital health, telehealth, and telemedicine, smart retail, and etc. Connected cars are like Tesla or cars that have like Bluetooth in it. Now I say Bluetooth a lot because for one, I have an application on my phone that is called Nodal, where you can actually connect Nodal Cash or Nodal coins, however you want the Nodal currency to be called. You collect that currency of Nodal through the transfer of data through your phone. Now, for me, or for the actual Nodal, there's like 3 different packages. Now you got LTE, right? Then you got, well, for the one that I have, it's just plain and you just have Wi-Fi really. So for the one that I have, you have to have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on to connect your phone to transfer the data on your phone, and then on top of that, for you to connect or for you to collect Nodal coins. Now, for the LTE one, the difference between that one and the one that I have is that with the LTE, you are able to actually go out in the you can actually go out in the city or these parks, different places that you see humans and you see different you see scooters around the city, devices like that, or different restaurants, anywhere that doesn't actually have Wi-Fi, but you use your LTE or your data plan, and you use your data plan to actually connect your phone to the actual cloud for your phone to actually transmit data between the stuff around you. So for instance, if you have that app open, then you'll be able to connect with other devices, with other people's devices, or for instance, the scooters that be around the city where people can't use and pay for to actually use and go around the city just to to get to their places faster. You're able to walk around and have your phone in your pocket. You don't actually have to be on your phone. You can have just your phone in your pocket and transfer the data from your phone to any devices that are connected. And with that, you're also able to collect nodal coins just through that. Now, IoT is becoming a big part of our lives because of the technology and the internet, and how our data is out there being transferred every day to make it more unique to the actual human, making it to where you're not seeing ads for something that you don't like, but you're seeing ads for yourself. Now, for IoT, right? IoT, you already know, transmit varieties of data without your interactions. And as we progress more and more through life, or more into the future, your house will sooner or later become part of that. Your house starts to become part of it, like your oven, coffee maker, microwave, refrigerator, etc. will start becoming part of the Internet of Things, transmitting data, and also maybe in the future probably transmitting money between each other. Now, that's a different topic for another video, but this is what I had to say, is that IoT is a actual thing and it's changing our lives, and also it's changing the way that we see things too. And right now you also can be able to get into it if by the application I was talking about, Nodal, you're able to transmit the data and also collect coins through the app, and actually and technically it's the Nodal Cash. It's not really money yet, but sooner or later it's going to be. But the money part, we're going to talk about that in another video. But this is all I got, so I'll see you in the next one. Later.